Hi, everyone. This is Katie from 208 Market. I am a realtor along with April, and since you all are probably at home today anyways, hopefully you're outside right now because the sun is beautiful, figured I would give you a little introduction, a little walkthrough at a few of our properties that we have listed right now. So I'm starting with 420 West Sherman Street. This is in the north end, just right up a couple blocks from 13th and from Hyde Park. This home is being offered at $1,950,000, and it's a fabulous home. It's being built by C.K. Rogers, so brand new. It should be done in the next few months here, and I'm going to give you a quick tour of it today. So we'll start here at the ground level, street level. So this home has a few steps leading up to the front door, and then it has a huge garage, very deep garage. This garage is 49 feet deep. It can fit 4 cars total if you pull them in there just right. It also has very tall ceilings. The bottom floor here when you walk in from the garage, just a couple steps, and then there is a half bath and a media room. There are some workers here right now, so it might be a little loud. Here's the half bath. Here's the media room. Okay. And then you walk up a flight of stairs to the main level. This kitchen is going to have a 48-inch decor dual fuel range, a 30-inch decor drawer microwave, also a decor dishwasher, and a 42-inch side-by-side decor fridge that will be built in. Here's where your island will be. And that's going to have a 4-foot-long kitchen sink with air switch disposal. And here's your patio. Okay. Main floor. Living area. Show you the view from this patio. Looking out to Sherman Street, you can see downtown just beyond the trees there. And here is where the fireplace will be.
Okay, so put the 5-wire.
This is going to have solid quartz countertops and a full tile backsplash. Okay, heading up to floor 2. Right back here, sorry, before we do that, right back here, this is where your pantry will be and another half bath. Okay, upper floor has all the bedrooms. So, laundry room right here as you come up the stairs with a window. We'll save the best for last. This is the second bedroom. Show you the views from outside this window. And in case you couldn't hear me when I was downstairs is going to have exposed stained wood beams, hardwood flooring throughout the kitchen, and cabinet pantry mounted on engineer studs, and a built-in walnut dining table. This is not the master, but it does have a walk-in closet, and you can see a nice downtown view from up here. And if you can see that, that's the Capitol building. Here's the shared bathroom that will have 2 sinks. And then here is where the amazing master bedroom will be, which is 13-foot tall vaulted master ceilings. Okay. It's going to have a nice big 70-inch fan. And here is the patio view, upper patio view from the master. Looking up towards the foothills. Of course, lots of trails nearby, Holes Gulch, and that area. Okay, here is the master bathroom. This is going to have heated tile flooring, his and her shower heads, and a handheld wand. It will have LED illuminated mirrors. So here's a vanity that will have a mirror, and then right behind me also a vanity that will have a nice big mirror. The concrete deck off of here that I was just showing you, that's gonna have a nice modern horizontal railing with a patio fan, and then these are part of the accordion door system that will be out there. Okay, and then this is the large walk-in closet and the master upstairs. That's what we're standing in here. I'm gonna go back downstairs. It'll be a little loud, but I just wanna show you the entrance from inside versus coming from the garage. Real quick, I also wanna show you the patio out here and your yard space. So not a huge yard, but big enough. You can have a dog. Here's your space on the side. Okay, and a nice large covered patio. Okay. Show you this area once more. This is where the half bath will be down here, as well as the pantry.
You gotta get staples. Use our staples.
And this is the grand entrance from the front. There will be a coat closet there. And here, standing on the patio. All right, thanks for joining me. I am gonna head to a couple other properties today.